Okay, here's a quick demo of how to do the case study in chapter 4, appendix, page 160. It's to do a hierarchical clustering with Excel Miner. Now, I've used the online version, and I'll basically start a little bit with the end in mind, and then I'll work backwards and show you how I did each step from the beginning. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen quickly. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Here you can see analytic solver and data mining and solver home. And here you can see is my actual data. Now I've run it already. And here is the output. And if you scroll down, you can see all the options here. And you will see that this report here of the stages and how the clustering and the distances work is match exactly that's in the book. The next label, or the next tab on, gives you the next lot of outputs. And the last one gives you the actual dendrogram. Here's the dendrogram. I think the only difference is that we've used 10, just the cluster of 10, so it's slightly different from the book. So I'm actually going to close all of this now, and I'm actually going to start right from scratch so that you can see how I've done it. So I start with opening the file from other sources. It's KTC, go down to my data on my, what's it called? DEMOKTC. DEMOKTC. Click on open. You can brand new file with all of the existing ones missing. Right. So that's on the solver home where I did that. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is data mining. I choose clustering and I choose hierarchical clustering. How would you like to handle unsafe changes? Ignore changes. Override. So I'll say override. Ignore changes. Override to replace the server file. Override. Okay, so I've overwritten it. What that means, and I've gone into the steps. So the first thing I need to do is select the variables. The one that's still not there is car loans. So I'll put that in. Check with my book. Yep, that's the 4 that they've got. Data type is raw. And first row contains the headers, 37. Looks good to me. Click on next. Matching coefficients is the one, and group average linkage is the one I want. Click on next. And here's where you can choose the maximum number of leaves. Now just because of that error that we got initially, I've made it 10. I think this particular version has got a way that it can only select it. So click on finish and it's executed. First tab at the bottom. There it is. Right. So I can now check my various outputs. I can check the clusters. This, by the way, is giving the dendrogram. Here's the dendrogram. See it zooms in, zooms out. So again, this is a version of the cluster dendrogram and the detail behind it. Look at this one here. If I scroll down again, this gives me the exact same result that I get. Okay, if there's still any problems, please don't hesitate to contact me, and let's see how we can do all of these good things. Share and into meeting. Thanks for joining me.